Hello everyone, today I'll be showing a tutorial on this game called Sandbox. So let's get right into it. So see, we got the game in here. And now I'm going to show you how to make this pretty nice wave in Sandbox. To do this, all you need is a few blocks. You need a real block, a trap block, an NPC, and last but not least, a teleporter. I should recommend you should use a color teleporter instead of using the normal one. Let's get right into it. So first we need to create our base. So see, if I want it like about 20 blocks long, I put 20, and then I place my color teleporters right here and here. Now all you want to do this, if you want to set up a different color teleporter, go to colors, press this, and then choose color. I'd rather you go to advanced and choose any color. This way you can make a lot of color teleporters. Make sure you copy that, put it in there. And that's step one done. Now,
yeah, but it's only like for VIP, but not for others that don't have VIP.
Oh yes, this is only for VIP. You could buy VIP on a VIP store on your bottom right. Once you pressed it, you get to buy VIP here. Some of them cost Robux. Well, I think they should all cost Robux.
They do.
And then there are VIP ranks that'll tell you what to do. If you have Ultra, that's amazing because you get a lot of stuff on Ultra, like this plot, instead of these plots. And you get a nice NPC. So now you need to get the trap blocks, and then you need to expand the height of the block you just made. Now you can place it in here. Wait, before you do that, you need to configure the NPCs or make this functional. So see, this is spawned. It's going this fast. So this is telling me that I need to make it so this trap block will spawn very fast. Oops. Now, if this works, okay. How about you set this to 1? Okay, that's good. Alright, delete that NPC for now, and place the blocks. I'll just ignore him. So once we have this fully functional trap block, well, you can see he's showcasing it. I didn't even ask him to do anything, but yeah, that's fine. All you just wanted to do is cover the whole thing. Oh yeah, I forgot, the teleporter needs to go up once. Then after that, you need to expand this there. Expand it any height, but it has to be. Oh, it looks like someone's in this. Don't touch. Don't touch. Okay. I'm glad he's gone. Alright. now, since you got that done, okay. Since you got that done, you can place another block right here. Slam that like that and that. And then now you can just color it up, and now he's stuck. Well, it's not my fault he went in there, so. Well, you can put glass so nobody glitched through it. Oh yes. Yeah, do you want to be trapped in there forever, man? Nah, man. So now we got that finished. We can cover the top so nobody glitches through there. Now we can open this and then color any color if you want. I'd rather you start with one color and then end with another color like black or white. Now I want you to copy this color. You could do this by making your cursor on this color, then press C. You should see this is changed. Now you want to go to advance, and you want to do is count how many blocks there are. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We need to see how much can go into 17 just by using these colors. Well, I don't even know the answer to that, but not my problem. So you could just put that 10, use color, and do the same. Then make sure you add 10. Like I just put 10 for that. Now I need to add 20%. There we go. Just repeat this whole progress, and you should be finished. That's 40. You can skip this bit if you want, since it's kind of boring. Oh, looks like a max there. Alright. You could either do two options with this. You could either make it go back down if you want. Hold up. That's 80. 70. 60. 50. Last but not least, 40. Since this is done, since our creation is done, we can now spawn in an NPC and then spawn in the nearest teleporter you have. Once it's spawned, you should have a fully functional wave. If the NPC won't work, I have no idea what's the problem with that. You can either expand that here so it never glitches. Oh, that's just a block. Hey, it's me. Oh. So some waves are a little bit laggy, but there you have it, a fully functional wave. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you out for your builds in Sandbox, and I hope you enjoy. Goodbye.